Hello everyone, welcome back. So today in this Python programming tutorial of video shorts, we are going to see another problem based on property decorator. So we have a problem, or I would say a task, where we need to create a number class and that would be storing out a value and provides us a square property that returns its square. So basically we just need to find the square. Okay, we just need to return a square of a given value. Okay, let's just create a class number here, and this class would be taking the value. Before this I can just initialize a constructor. We can just give the self parameter, and we can just give a value so that we can just get the return of the square. So by help of self dot value I can get my value, right? I mean by value I can just get the value within my self dot value. So here I can just simply use my property decorator so that I can use the method as attribute. I'm going to create a square method which is going to take a self parameter, and which is going to of course return the logic of self dot value values square. Okay, and here we are just going to give a object. By the help of class I can just pass out my value, that is, let's say 6. I want the square of 6. Now I can just simply use method as an attribute, and I can just simply print out n dot square that's all. So if I just try to run the program, because we are just having the error here, so we just got the 36, right? So how did we like executed it? We have created a class number, we have created a constructor which is taking the value self. Okay, by the help of self dot value we just got the value. Okay, and we have just given the logic within the square function by using the property decorator. So we can use out this method as an attribute. Here you can just check on, right? So we have just passed out our value 6 by creating out a variable, I would say an object. So I hope you guys understood the concept of property decorator better here. Thank you.